Essential vitamins for nerve health. Nourishing your nervous system. A healthy nervous system is crucial for our overall well-being, as it controls and coordinates essential bodily functions. While maintaining a balanced diet is key to providing our bodies with the necessary nutrients, certain vitamins play a particularly important role in supporting nerve health. In this article, we will explore the essential vitamins that nourish our nervous system and promote optimum nerve function. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is vital for maintaining healthy nerves as it plays a crucial role in the production of myelin, a protective covering that surrounds nerve fibers. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage and neurological symptoms like tingling sensations and numbness. Good dietary sources of vitamin B12 include animal-based products like fish, meat, eggs, and dairy, while supplementation is recommended for individuals with a deficiency or limited dietary intake. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for healthy nerve signal transmission. This vitamin supports proper nerve function and can help alleviate symptoms of nerve-related conditions such as carpal tunnel syndrome. Food sources rich in vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, is essential for maintaining healthy nerve cells. It aids in the metabolism of glucose, the primary source of energy for our nerves. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to nerve damage and conditions like beriberi. Food sources of vitamin B1 include whole grains, legumes, nuts, pork, and enriched cereals. Vitamin E. Vitamin E possesses antioxidant properties that help protect nerves from oxidative stress and damage. It aids in maintaining the integrity of nerve cell membranes. Good dietary sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach, broccoli, and vegetable oils. Vitamin D. While primarily known for its role in bone health, vitamin D also plays a crucial role in nerve function. It helps regulate the expression of genes involved in nerve cell growth and function. Sunlight exposure is a natural source of vitamin D, and dietary sources include fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant vitamin that contributes to nerve health by protecting nerves from oxidative damage. It also aids in the formation of collagen, an important component of nerve tissues. Citrus fruits, berries, peppers, and leafy green vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin C. Nourishing our nerves with the right vitamins is essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Individuals with underlying health conditions or dietary restrictions should discuss their specific vitamin needs with a healthcare provider. Taking proactive steps to support nerve health can enhance our quality of life and enable us to function at our